Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we'll uh, rewrite a story, or today we are going to learn a new story, a picture story, writing a picture story. In the previous class, I gave you a short introduction about the jungle boy. The jungle boy who's called as Mowgli. You have already seen the cartoon stories or the cartoon channel you must have observed, or you must have even watched the movie. The same thing today we are going to repeat. The name of the story is The Man Cub. The man cub in the sense the young one of a man. Usually for animals, the young ones of animal have got different names. So here the title of the story is like the man cub. It means the young child, that is a baby. Here in the previous class, I told you about the jungle boy, that is Mowgli, how he was lost in the forest. I will show you some picture clippings. Yes, you can see in the first picture, you can see, this is the first picture, you can see, yes, there are two wolves, a mother wolf and a father wolf. Yes, they are in the jungle. In the second picture, you can see there is a cave and there are cubs inside, and you can see a little child here. This is a little child here, a small baby, who's none other than baby Mowgli. Right? In the next picture, you can see there are the mother wolf and father wolf. They find the baby lost in the jungle and they rescue him, and they are talking with the child, asking the child, because he is a small baby infant, he is not able to speak or tell them exactly, but maybe in his own language, in what he feels comfortable, he is trying to explain to them. Then you can see the wolf, that is the mother wolf and the father wolf. They take the baby in their custody and they decide to upbring him, take care of him, and along with their own cubs, they let the baby grow. But you can see a tiger there who is very anxiously waiting to trap or to catch the baby, the human baby, and enjoy it, because tigers are very fond of eating human flesh. So the tiger is waiting for a chance to trap the baby as and how when it comes out. Now, what do you understand with this? Yes, I'll show you a simple picture. Now look at this picture here. The first picture, you can see, this is the first picture. You can see a group of boys playing around. Yes, laughing, sharing. This is friendship. This is friendship. And in the second picture, you can see there's a water place, there's a house, and what do you see on the top of the house? What do you see? You see a puppy there. And what are these other two people doing there? They are trying to rescue the puppy from the roof. Yes, because everywhere there is water, it is flooded. So, with these two incidents, what do you understand? We understand that we should live in helping others. We should help others when they are in need. Exactly like how the mother wolf and the baby father wolf saves the baby, and you can see here how protective they are along with their own cubs, they are protecting the man cub, that is Mowgli. He grows up with them, both father and mother. They provide food and care for the human baby. So this is called as humanity. When you see somebody in trouble, when somebody is in pain, it is our duty to lend a helping hand. As a human beings, at times we need help from others. So as from others, so we need to lend a helping hand. Now, based on this lesson, I have made some cuttings, paper cuttings, which I will show you. Yes, this is the paper cutting done. It's a picture of a bunny rabbit. I have cut the picture on a plain white paper and I have drawn with a marker and I have just colored it. Does it look beautiful? Yes. You can make a face mask with this. You can make a face mask. You can attach your two strings and you can wear it on your face. The strings you can tie it up to your ears. So this is one pattern that I have done. This is a bunny rabbit. This everybody knows which animal is this. Which animal is this? This is elephant, baby elephant. So I have cut the picture. I have used all simple plain papers, but if you are making a face mask, you need to use a card sheet or any thick material paper. Yes, it's cute, right? Next one, where I have made 4-5 samples so that you have a idea about it. So these are all face masks what I have done. You can use different kind of paper. Yes. To make this, you either need a card sheet. Yes. You need Fevicol. You need a scissor. You need a stapler. You need strings. You need pencil eraser. Right? Now, I'm going to show you a simple activity. Yes, I have done it with the help of, paper plate. I have done with the help of a paper plate. Yes, you can. This is bunny rabbit. You can put it as a face mask or you can put it as a wall hanging also. Only all you need to do is you have to punch one punch here and one punch. You get a tiny hole round here. You can tie a string and then hang it on the wall. Or else two punch and you tie a string here, tie two strings and then you can wear it on your face as a face mask. So today this is one sample what I have made for you, which is already made and kept by me. This is my creativity. This is my idea. You have to use your own creativity. You have to use your own idea and create different kinds of face mask using different animal face. Like I gave you one example. I told you you can create different animals. This is one example. Yes, this is one example what I am showing you. This is second example. Yes, this is second example. And this is third example. There are n number of animals. You can make a butterfly. You can make any other animal which you like. You can make a face of a tiger. You can make a face of a lion. Whatever you feel. Now, I will show you a simple activity. All what you have to do, you have to take a paper plate like this. Any paper plate that is available at home. Either you make a face mask or you can make a wall hanging, whichever you feel comfortable, which looks good for you. All whatever is available at home. Paper plates are easily available at home. I have used paper plate. You can use what is available in your house. Okay, and all you have to do is you need to draw the eyes, outline of the eye of any particular animal, whomever you are going to make or do. Yes, you have to draw the outline for the eye and a little bit of mouth and nose. Right? Now, I'll show you. This is, I have taken white paper. I have taken a white paper and a different maroon color paper. These are the 2 ears, yes, which I am going to use it as. All what you have to do is you have to keep it together like this. You have to cut it in the form of a leaf, and you have to either you put a glue and stick it, or you use a stapler to staple it. So I have kept it ready so that I don't waste time. Yes, so these are the 2 ears that I have made for the face of a bunny. 2 ears, okay, 2 different shade, one white and one different color. So you can use any color of your choice. Now I am going to put the ears, fix this ears for the bunny. Yes, all what I have to do is I have to use a glue, or I can staple it to the bunny's face. Yes. Yes. So the face is ready now. Yes. You can see I have made a face of a bunny rabbit. I have just drawn eyes, nose and lips, and the 2 ears that I have stapled. You can use glue or you can use the same. Now, to make it a little more beautiful or a little more cuter, I have cut some flowers using 2 different colors. I have cut flowers. You can cut any design you like. This is one simple one what I have cut. I have used 2 different colors, and now I am going to decorate the face of this bunny. What I have to do, it is like a crown. So I staple one here. Yes. And the second one here. And the third one goes here. So my cute little bunny rabbit face mask is ready. My cute little bunny rabbit face mask is ready. You can decorate it as you like it with this material. So these are the 2 bunny rabbits that I have made. Yes, these are the 2 bunny rabbits that I have made. You can try it at home. This is the activity done for you, right? You can do it at home with whatever material is there in the house, with what you like to do. And this is the activity for your English class, the lesson. Today what we have learnt about Mowgli, the man, human baby who gets lost in the jungle and taken care by the mother family of wolf. So for today, this is enough for today. Remaining in the next session.